Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Alright, so now another very important question is how to connect AliExpress with your store. So this actually depends on what you're using. So if you're using Shopify, then there's a different method. There's an app that you need to install. If you're using WordPress, you need to install a specific plugin. And if you're using Wix, you're going to also have to install something. So here, as far as Shopify, you need to install this app called AliExpress Dropshipping, right? So it's Dropshippers AliExpress Dropshipping. So this is the app that you need to install. And for WooCommerce, if you're using WordPress, you need to install this specific plugin called AliExpress Dropshipping for WooCommerce. You can find it on WooCommerce, or you can actually find it on the plugins when you search on WordPress, or just click AliExpress Dropshipping for WooCommerce plugin, and they will take you directly to the plugin, and you can download it in a zip file and install it in your plugins list on WordPress if you're using WordPress. As for Wix, now myself, I have to say I'm not a Wix expert. I'm a Shopify expert and WordPress expert, but not so much Wix. But with Wix, you can also install an app. It's pretty much works the same way as with Shopify. You need to install an app, and with that app, you can actually connect your AliExpress account with your Wix account, right? So this is it for how to connect your AliExpress account with your store.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.